You know what I like? When the S10 community creates parts for S10s. I'm Johnny Garage Johnson, and this is Hardcore Garage. Welcome to Hardcore Garage. Is this the right one? I think it is. Let's see what's in this box. I'm just gonna rip into this. Right. Some extra stickers here. S10 Handling. Check him out. What this is, guys, is a creation by Trans Am Travis. I think that's what he goes by online. And I'm going to give you some close-ups of this, but this is a rear latch for the square body S10 Blazer. A lot of times, I'll even go as far to say most of the times when you rode in a Blazer, you hear the back window squeaking almost every single time. Well, this is going to cure that. It has a, I'm not sure exactly what the material here is, neoprene, possibly Teflon, I'm not sure, but it does look like a wearable part that is changeable. It does have a bolt there so you can take it off. And we are going to test one of these out on a buddy of mine's Blazer. So let's go check that out. As you can see, the bushings are easily replaceable. They have a small bushing for a near stock latch with minimal wear, and a larger bushing if your rear latch is worn out. You will need to probably file the latch mechanism to make sure it fits the larger bushing, but that's not a big deal either. Removing the rear latch is super easy. It's two 15mm bolts, and you will want to use a deep well to be able to get over top of that pin. Funny thing, I've tried this on 3 different Blazer Jimmys, and all of them were almost slightly overhand tight. Travis does offer replacement bushings if you do wear one out. He also suggests replacing the rubber gasket between the latch and glass. You can actually make one of these yourselves out of a little piece of rubber. Don't drop the latch when you remove it. I hate to see messed up paint. The new S10 Handling latch is a perfect match, width and height. You'll install the new one in the reversed order that you took the old one off. Make all your connections hand tight first. Talk about easy installation. Just remember not to over tighten those bolts. They are through glass. It actually looks a lot better than the factory latch. We must have bumped the latch. My bad. Reset it. Try again. It's still not latching, so we're going to have to adjust this 10mm bolt right here. Loosen it up and pull the latch back towards us. There it is. There we go. All we had to do was I loosened that 10mm bolt and slid it just slightly out this way. And that's holding it nice and solid too, guys. Back that off. Hit your popper. Maybe. Yes. Oh. All right, so that worked out good. Final picture of her here, if you guys can see that with the lights right in her eyes. We've got a ton of work going on at the house today, so it's kind of hard to find a place that's quiet. But I wanted to tell you, so these are $35 plus $10 shipping if you want to get one of these. And every single Blazer that I've ever ridden in, or Jimmy, has had a squeaky back window. This will solve it. Check it out. The negative through all this is, because it is a show truck, we will not get to take a ride in that thing until spring. And I will do an update video come spring, because I want to do a walk around, yeah, of that Blazer is amazing. I don't know if you was like even really looking at it while we were doing that thing. But that Blazer is amazing. So I'm going to do another video of that Blazer, no doubt. And we'll decide then if the Trans Am Travis brackets are the bomb. I think they are. Looks pretty cool. Functions pretty cool. Didn't make any noise while we were just sitting there, which a lot of times you can just rattle that back window just by grabbing it and moving it around. It grabbed it pretty tight, hold it tight. I'm digging it. Check them out. So we're really only talking about a couple minute install on that, and you'll be good to go. Hope you enjoyed it. I will leave all the information to get those brackets in the description down below. We'll try to leave any links that we can also. And I appreciate Travis for letting me check this bracket out, dog. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I love it when people make S10 parts. Y'all take it easy. Keep on trucking.